Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to import data from Excel into Pandas. So generally you could do it using the read Excel command from Pandas. So here's what my Excel document looks like. It's in the same folder as my notebook here, and it's got a date column, open, high, low, and close columns, and an RSI column. And the important thing to note is that it's the first spreadsheet, it's the first sheet in the file. Okay, so we have another sheet called title. We're going to get to that in the follow-up video to this, but this is the first spreadsheet. This command only works for the first spreadsheet. So if all your data is in the first spreadsheet, then you're fine. Essentially what we could do is we could do df equals pd dot read Excel, then the name of the file. In this case, the file is called sample data.slsx. And so we're going to do that. And then we're going to print it by just doing this. And as you can see, we have the date, the open, the high, all the data was imported in and just fine. So again, this works if it's the first sheet. If I move that over to title, and then if I try to run this code again, so let's say I go from here like that, and then df, it gives you not what you want. So you want to make sure that it is the first spreadsheet in your file.